Welcome to our deep dive into brain tumors. Today we'll explore the causes, effects, prevention and removal of this serious condition. The brain, as you know, is the control center of our body. When it's affected by a tumor, the consequences can be life-altering. But knowledge is power, and understanding this condition is the first step towards combating it. We'll break down complex medical jargon into digestible information because your health is our priority. Let's start by understanding what causes brain tumors. Now, there's no single answer. It's often a complex interplay of factors. Genetics play a role. Sometimes inherited gene mutations can increase your risk. Exposure to radiation, particularly ionizing radiation used in certain medical treatments, can also be a factor. Think of it like this: our cells have a certain life cycle, and radiation can sometimes disrupt that, leading to abnormal growth. Family history is another piece of the puzzle. If you have a close relative with a history of brain tumors, your risk might be slightly elevated. Now, how do you know if you or a loved one might be affected by a brain tumor? The symptoms can vary depending on the tumor's size and location. Headaches are a common symptom, but not all headaches are caused by tumors. What sets them apart is their persistence, especially if they worsen over time or are different from your usual headaches. Seizures, which are essentially electrical disturbances in the brain, can also be a sign. Changes in your senses, like vision problems, hearing loss, or changes in smell and taste, can also occur depending on where the tumor is pressing on the brain. Chapter 3. Lowering the risks, steps towards brain tumor prevention. The good news is that while we can't control all risk factors, there are steps we can take to potentially lower our chances of developing a brain tumor. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. We all know the drill. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables and antioxidants, regular exercise and adequate sleep all contribute to overall cellular health. Limiting exposure to harmful chemicals is another important factor. While more research is needed, some studies suggest a potential link between certain pesticides and industrial chemicals and brain tumor risk. So minimizing exposure is prudent, and as always, regular medical checkups are crucial. Chapter 4. Treatment avenues exploring brain tumor removal. If a brain tumor is detected, it's not the end of the road. There are several treatment options available, and the best approach depends on various factors, including the tumor's type, size, location, and the patient's overall health. Surgery is often the first line of treatment, aiming to remove as much of the tumor as safely possible. Radiation therapy uses high-energy rays to target and destroy cancer cells. It can be used after surgery to kill any remaining cancer cells or as a primary treatment if surgery isn't feasible. Chemotherapy uses drugs to kill cancer cells and can be administered orally or intravenously. The choice of treatment is a team effort involving neurosurgeons, oncologists, and other specialists working together to create a personalized plan. Outgrow your health, your power. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed and take care of your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Brain tumors can be a daunting topic, but remember, knowledge is the first step towards prevention and taking charge of your health.